can hear him about to thaw. And it really does go like this. I speak. The gentleman who owns the lot wants to shut us down. Imagine wanting to not give money to animals for 2 hours. So we're gonna speed this up a little bit just in case, because the police are on their way. All right, let's do it. Give it up for Overtired. Give it up for Poetry for Boys. And give it up for Water Hotel, everybody. No, I can't take one can fly. We love all of you. Thank you for coming, but really, please leave.